Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today you're going to learn how to make a knife pleat tennis skirt. Please subscribe to the channel. So we're going to start by taking body measurements. And the first measurement we're going to take is the waist to hip. So just place your tape at the slimmest part of your waist and measure downwards towards the hip. So for mine it's 7.5 cm. We're going to do the same thing at the waist. So you get the circumference of the waist, and mine is 32 cm. And the final one is the hip measurement. And my hip measurement is 42.5, so right here. So with those measurements in mind, this is our waist, which is 32 centimeters. This is our hip, which is 42.5. And then this is the waist to hip measurement, which is 7.5. So now that we have all our measurements in place, we're going to do very quick math. Whatever you have as your waist measurement, for mine is 32, I'm going to divide that by 2, and that gives us 16. You're now going to take that figure you get and then divide what your hip measurement is by that figure you got from the waist division. So waist divided by 2, hip divided by measurement from waist. For the waist, we're going to take this measurement and split it on both sides. We're also going to take this and split across the hip. So starting at the waist, we have 2 cm, so it means we're going to have 1 cm on both sides. And here we have 2.7 centimeters. So I'll use my tape now to split 2.7 on both sides of the hip line. Once that's done, you just need to connect both lines. Like so. And then this line right here is your hem, the skirt hem. So extend this line to the hem. Okay, so that's what we have. So just so you can understand better, this is our hem, this is our hip, and this is our waistline. And from this line to this line is our hip to waist, hip to waist. So that's our pattern cut out. I'm now going to show you how this works. So basically, all we're going to be doing, so I'm going to reintroduce my mannequin. Her name is Sasha, by the way. So reintroduce her, and all we're going to be doing is this. So this is the skirt, and we're just going to replicate this piece all around our skirt. I'll show you how. Okay, so introduce fresh paper, and then this is the waist, the hip, and the hem. So I've gone ahead to transfer this piece we worked with onto a more sturdy paper, just so I can show you better today. So all we're going to be doing basically is tracing this. So I've also drawn a start line, so a midline, like the center front or center back line. I'm going to place this center line on parallel to this center line on the paper. And for the first one, we're only going to be tracing one side. So draw this line out. So to get the part that's going to be pleated, measure 2 cm from where the line ends. But for a full size skirt, so for a human size, you would use 4 cm. 2 cm marker here. I'm now going to place this back on, the hem touching the 2 cm marker. And then I'm just going to draw one on this side and one on this side. So you mark another 2 cm. And then move it and draw again. So we're going to repeat this step. So we're going to repeat this step all the way. So as you can see, I have done it all the way to the end of my paper, and I'm just going to label them now. So because this tutorial is just a demo of how to achieve this style, I'm not going to be making a full skirt, so it's not going to cover the waist of the mannequin. But if you want to learn how to do that, I've left the explanation in the description below. So this is our pattern all cut out. I'm now going to show you how to pleat it. I'm going to fold this. Backwards like so. And then we're going to take two and fold it onto three. And then take three and fold it onto the first leg of four. So as you can see, the shape is already starting to form. I'm just going to do this last one. And fold it onto this leg. So that's what our skirt is looking like so far. I'm going to go ahead and finish it off and show you. I'm going ahead and giving it a nice press, and this is what it looks like all pleated. I'm going to put it on the mannequin now, just so you can have a better view of it. So that's what it looks like. If you need a sewing tutorial for this, please let me know. So if I get a lot of comments requesting for a sewing video, I'll definitely make one. Thank you for watching. Read the description for more details and see you in the next one. Bye!